Hey guys, how are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. And this is me Asya and welcome to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. Today I will show you in this video so stylish and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyling for girls and women. With beautiful hair dye, so stylish haircut, and very beautiful collection of low maintenance hairstyling for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. First of all, I will talk about hairstyling. Some ideas: spiky hairstyle, and some collection fine hairstyle. Some ideas: messy hairstyle, and so beautiful collection of wavy curly hairstyling. And very attractive ideas of haircut. Bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, pixie haircut, and different type of cut. Some ideas layered, mostly ideas in step, with undercut, and many much more collection of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color, black color, grey color, some ideas in highlights, blonde highlights, burgundy highlights, and very attractive collection of ash color, black color. An overall collection very stylish and latest in low maintenance hairstyling for girls and women. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this. And if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very sweet, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this and share your all over social media accounts. If you're new or any other thing on my channel, please share your ideas with me. I will become with new trends according to your ideas, so you must share with me. I will wait. Once again, if you are not subscribed my channel, please make sure you do subscribe my channel and like my video. So friend, thank you so much. You are watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I will write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.